Hello, today we're going to be going over a fine motor activity. For this activity, you're going to need some Play-Doh, you're going to need a colander. You can use one of these ones that is like a noodle strainer, or you could also use the ones that are used that come with the pots and pans set that you can use as a steamer. And so or you could use anything that has just little holes that are going to fit our last item, which we need are Q-tips. And so so anything that has holes that'll fit these Q-tips. And so what you're going to do is we're going to take out our Play-Doh. And so we're going to squeeze it out of the container. And we're going to have our kids squeeze the Play-Doh. Squeeze it in both of their hands. First this hand, and then switch it over and squeeze it in the other. We're going to squeeze it, and then we're going to put it on the table and roll it into a ball. You can also pick up both hands and use both hands to roll it into a ball like this. And then once we have it into a ball shape, we're going to squish it on the table. And we're going to take each of our Q-tips. I've cut our Q-tips in half. This way we can work on grasp, because if we have the whole Q-tip, then it's possible for our kids to use a fisted grasp. But with these half Q-tips, it gives them the chance to use their fingers in order to promote a more appropriate grasp. So we're going to place these Q-tips with the stick into the Play-Doh. And we want to make sure that our kids are using these three fingers, because those are the fingers that we use to hold a pencil with an appropriate grasp. So as you can see, when I hold this pen, I'm holding it with a tripod grasp, not a fisted grasp. I'm using my fingers here. And so putting the Q-tips into the Play-Doh promotes strengthening of those fingers and promotes that grasp. All right, so now that we have all of our Q-tips inside of our Play-Doh, that's when we're going to bring the colander over. And then our kids can take the Q-tips out of the Play-Doh, and then we're going to put it inside. Now, some of our colanders, the Q-tips might fit all the way, but it's okay if they don't. They can just sit, just like mine is here, just sit inside of the hole, just like that. And they can put it anywhere around. And then you can cut more Q-tips to make this activity a little longer. And then you can fill up all of the holes if you wanted to. So we're going to put them all in, pull them all out. And then now that we've finished, now it's time to clean up. And so when we clean up, we squish our Play-Doh all together, squish it so that we can put it inside the container and use our fingers to push it inside. And then we're going to pull out all of the Q-tips. Again, using those same fingers, promoting that age-appropriate grasp. Thank you so much. Have fun with this activity.